Welcome to episode 7 of how to make an endless runner in Unity. In this episode we will add sound, so let's get started. First, locate your audio in here, in the asset. We have a die, we have a jump, and we have a land. These are the ones we're going to use, because we don't have any buttons, so I'll just delete this one. Now first we want to create an audio manager, so we'll click in the assets, go to scripts, right click here, create a new MonoBehaviour script and call it audio manager. Open that up. In here we'll delete the update and start function and we'll add a public static audio manager called instance. Then in the awake function we'll set instance to be equals to this. Then we'll add a public void play sfx where we'll input audio clip, call it clip, comma, float, volume, and that will be 1 as a default. Then we'll create an IEnumerator, so a coroutine, so we're able to wait. We'll call it play sfx coroutine, where we'll input these things too. Then in the start function we'll invoke this coroutine by doing start coroutine, inputting this, and inputting clip, comma, volume. Then we'll do audio source equals GameObject.add component audio source. So here we basically add an audio component, then we'll set AudioClip.clip to be equal to the clip. After that we'll do the same with the volume, and then we'll do audio source.play. Then we'll do yield return new wait 4 seconds, where we'll input audio source.clip.length, and I'll times that by 2 just to make sure that we play the whole clip. And after that we'll destroy the audio source. That is all we need in our audio manager. So now go into Unity, right click over here and create an empty game object called audio manager. And I'll add audio manager right here. Now we can easily play any audio we want. So we'll go into our player script. In here we can play the jump audio in here. So we'll do audio manager.instance.play sfx, where we can then add the clip. So we need them up here. So we'll add a public audio clip called jump clip, and then we'll also add the other one, land clip, and we'll also add the die clip. But right now we're using the jump clip, so we'll input that right here. Then we also have the land clip, and we can add that in the on collision enter. So we'll just do else, and we'll copy this, but instead of doing jump clip, we'll do land clip, and this is when we die. So we need to add the last one up here, and we'll input die clip. But right now we're loading the scene right after, and we can't do that, so we'll add a function down here called void wait for scene load, and we'll put this down here, and we'll do invoke the name of this, comma, die clip dot length. So the die clip will play and then the scene will load. Now go out into Unity, click on our player, and we need to add the 3 audio clips. So locate the audio clips, click on our player again, add jump right here, add land right here, and add die right here. Now click play. And as you can see, we now have all the sound effects. And when we die, we have the die sound also. So that is all for this Endless Runner course. If you have any suggestions for extra episodes I could make, please let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this course in any way, please subscribe. That will help me a lot. And yeah, have an amazing day.